Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're challenging your skills with 35 MCQs all about English sentence structure. Ready to test how well you know the building blocks of sentences? Let's get started. 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She can sing well. Tips: look for subject-verb agreement after modal verbs like can. 2. Identify the correct sentence structure. I like to read, but I don't like writing. Tips: ensure proper punctuation and conjunctions in compound sentences. 3. Choose the correct sentence. Is she going to the park? Tips: use the correct form of the auxiliary verb in questions. 4. Select the sentence with correct word order. I have never been to New York. Tips: never usually comes before the main verb in a sentence. 5. Which sentence is correct? He didn't finish his homework. Tips: after didn't, use the base form of the verb. 6. Identify the sentence with correct use of punctuation. Although it was raining, we went out and had fun. Tips: avoid unnecessary commas between conjunctions. 7. Which sentence is incorrect? I will meet you at the airport tomorrow. Tips: watch for word order in complex sentences. 8. Choose the correct sentence. She was excited for her trip to Paris. Tips: use a noun or gerund after excited for, not an infinitive. 9. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? She is a better singer than him. Tips: better is the comparative of good and doesn't need more. 10. Identify the correct sentence. I have read an interesting book. Tips: adjectives should describe nouns, not the action. 11. Which sentence is correctly structured? To make the cake, I need eggs, flour, and sugar. Tips: use articles, the, when referring to specific items. 12. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. She said, I am tired. Tips: use quotation marks for direct speech. 13. Which sentence is correct? I will go to the party tonight. Tips: use the base form of the verb after will. 14. Select the correct sentence. I like reading books in the evening. Tips, like is followed by a gerund, reading, or an infinitive, to read. 15. Which of the following is a correct sentence? We are going shopping this weekend. Tips, the verb going should be followed by a gerund, shopping. 16. Identify the correct sentence. He would have come to the party. Tips, after would have, use the past participle form of the verb. 17. Choose the correct sentence. The teacher said that I was studying hard. Tips, use past continuous to describe an action in progress in the past. 18. Select the grammatically correct sentence. She sings better than I do. Tips, in comparisons with then, use the full form I do when omitted. 19. Which sentence is correct? We didn't go anywhere. Tips, avoid using double negatives in English. 20. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The teacher is friendlier than before. Tips, use either friendlier or more friendly, not both. 21. Identify the correct sentence. I have never seen such a beautiful mountain. Tips, never should come before the main verb or auxiliary. 22. Choose the correct option. If I were you, I would have gone to the party. Tips, use were instead of was after if in hypothetical situations. 23. Select the correct sentence. I am looking forward to meeting you. Tips, the verb look forward to is followed by a gerund, meeting. 24. Which sentence is correct? I saw her yesterday. Tips, use the past simple tense, saw, for actions completed in the past. 25. Which of the following sentences is correct? He has been working hard. Tips, ensure subject-verb agreement in present perfect continuous tense. 26. Choose the correct form of the verb. She sings beautifully every day. Tips, use the simple present tense for habitual actions. 27. Which sentence is grammatically correct? I don't know the answer. Tips, don't is short for do not and is followed by the base form of the verb. 28. Select the correct sentence. There are many books on the shelf. Tips, use are for plural nouns. 29. Choose the correct sentence. The children are playing in the park. Tips: plural subjects, children, take the verb are. 30. Which of the following is the correct structure for a question? Does he play basketball? Tips: in a question, use does before the subject. 31. Choose the correct sentence structure. She sings beautifully every day. Tips: adverbs generally come after the subject and verb. 32. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A letter is written by him. Tips: passive voice focuses on the action or object. 33. Select the correct sentence. I don't like swimming. Tips: use do with the base form of the verb. 34. Which sentence is a correct conditional? If it rains, we will go. Tips: conditional sentences use if and a correct verb tense. 35. What is the correct word order? She quickly ran to the store. Tips: adverbs often go before the verb or after it. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video, comment your answers below, and subscribe to Next Level English for more exciting grammar challenges. See you in the next video.